The position vector r equals xi hat plus yj hat plus zk hat is a measure of how far an object is from the origin of the coordinate system, and it is measured in meters. The position vector depends on the coordinate system. The tail of this vector is placed at the origin and remains there. The head or tip of the vector is at the location of the object, and it follows the object around through time. Here is an initial position vector, r sub I, that points to the location of the object at t equals 0. And here is a final position vector, r sub f, that points to the location of the object at a later time, t. The displacement vector, delta r, is r sub final minus r sub initial. The two vectors r sub I and delta r are head to tail, so we have r sub initial plus displacement vector delta r equals r sub f. Position vectors depend on the coordinate system, but displacement vectors do not. Here are the initial and final position vectors in the x prime y prime coordinate system. The displacement vector delta r is the same in both coordinate systems, and this means that the velocity vector v equals delta r over delta t is the same in both coordinate systems. So is the acceleration vector a, which is delta v over delta t.